Two of the most popular CRM platforms go head-to-head, but which one truly gives your business the edge? On one side, we have Zoho CRM, famed for its flexibility and integration. On the other, Pipedrive, a favorite for its simplicity and sales-focused features. We'll compare what genuinely matters: ease of use, customization, automation features, pricing, and support. So you know which is right for you. Forget the jargon and shiny marketing. Let's see what these tools can really do. Each round will award points, so by the end you'll know exactly which CRM comes out on top. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Here's the game plan. Check out this mind map. We're putting Zoho CRM and Pipedrive head-to-head on price, features, usability, integrations, reporting, and mobile accessibility. Each category? That's where things get interesting, trust me. Let's kick off with price because, honestly, who doesn't care about saving a buck? Zoho's got these flexible plans and even a pretty cool free version. But, all those add-ons can really sneak up on you. Pipedrive, though, starts out cheaper and the pricing is super transparent. The catch? That base plan is kind of bare bones once you get going. Still, Pipedrive takes the win here for being wallet-friendly from the jump. Features. Now, this is where Zoho goes wild. I mean, you get everything: sales modules, marketing, support, automation, the whole 9 yards. But honestly, it's almost too much. Like, you open the dashboard and it's just options on options. Pipedrive is more laser-focused killer for tracking pipelines, managing sales stuff, and that's pretty much it. But if you want fancy automation or deal with more than just sales, you might find it lacking. So Zoho runs away with this category. Now, usability. If you're like me and hate getting lost in menus, listen up. This is where Pipedrive shines. It's just simple. You hop in, figure things out, barely read a tutorial. Zoho, though? It's all about customizability, but dang, the initial learning curve is real. If you just want to get moving, Pipedrive totally wins this round. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Zoho literally started out of a tiny village in India back in 1996. Fast forward to today and boom, millions of businesses use it worldwide. Talk about a glow up, right? Integrations. Zoho does not mess around here. It connects with like half the internet, over 50 of its own apps, and a ton of third-party stuff too. Sometimes the setup takes work, but hey, that's flexibility for you. Pipedrive keeps things simple with a bunch of pre-made integrations and a marketplace. It's great for the core sales tools, though options thin out the further you stray from mainstream stuff. Zoho gets the tick here. Reporting time, if you're a data nerd, Zoho's your jam. Advanced analytics, custom dashboards, almost too much to play with. Pipedrive, fast, simple reports, and that goal tracking thing is actually super handy. But if you need to slice and dice your data every which way, only Zoho really lets you go crazy. So another win for Zoho here. And finally, let's talk mobile and accessibility. Honestly, both are surprisingly good here. Zoho gives you a robust mobile app, including an offline mode, which is awesome if you're always out and about. Only issue is, it can be a bit much to navigate on your phone. Pipedrive's app is punchy, fast, and you can update things on the fly, but you might miss out on a few advanced tools. Calling it even, since both have their own strengths. Quick look at the scorecard now. One glance, you can see where Zoho dominates, where Pipedrive punches above its weight, and just how these two stack up across all the big categories. So, who's this for? If you're running a growing company, you've got multiple teams, or you just love having every feature under the sun. Zoho CRM is totally your playground. But if your team mostly lives in sales and you want something that's straightforward and lightning fast, Pipedrive is honestly hard to beat. For overall power and customizability though, Zoho edges it out as the winner. Did this little CRM showdown clear things up? If you want more honest, side-by-side comparisons like this, hit subscribe and stick around for more expert CRM showdowns.